set.
Rarely has there been such a sense of expectation and anticipation ahead of a 200-metre final. Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce has got out well. Jackson now coming through. Thompson-Herah and Dina Asher-Smith have got a lot to do. Asher-Smith is coming into the mix. Now Shericka Jackson coming up onto the shoulder of Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce. At last, it's Jackson's turn to be the queen of sprinting. 21.46. She becomes the fastest living woman on earth. And at last, after so many bronze and silver medals, it is a glittering gold for Shericka Jackson. And how they will celebrate that back in Jamaica. We already know Thompson-Herah is one of the greats. We already know Fraser-Pryce is one of the greats. But tonight, it was the turn of Shericka Jackson, and she delivered just when she needed it the most.